What's up guys, it's Clutchmaster. In today's video we're going to be reviewing the update that happened just today, earlier this morning. We're just going to hop straight into it. So with the first thing, temporarily added boogie bombs. In the future, they're going to add EMPs and they're going to replace those boogie bombs. So we're also going to talk about what they did to the cars, what they buffed and what they nerfed. So the first thing is they reduced machine gun turret accuracy and grenade launcher turret damage to structures, which is gonna really help not being such an annoyance to like everything. So that's pretty nice. The second thing they did is reduced vehicle health in solos. So in solos we'll see that it's normally 1,710 health with the boss car. So we're gonna have to check that out in a little bit. And then the third thing they did to cars was they do not automatically regen health anymore. So at first they did, which I thought it was just if you had a medallion. And the fourth thing they did was boosted damage dealt to vehicles from the boom bolts. And they also increased Nitro Gauntlet's recharge time to reduce Nitro shoulder bash damage to players. So, and they also said, looking ahead, we will bring back a widely requested electric throwable to replace boogie bombs soon. It just started there. Okay, we're gonna kill this boss real quick. Okay, got the boss down easy just like that. Now we have infinite ammo. Alright, we're gonna go down and check out the car and see how much health it reduced to in solos. Alright, so like I said, the car health was 1,700 at first, and now looks like they reduced it down about 400. So I would say this is a pretty solid nerf to the boss card. Alright, get that guy away from me. Bot. Nice, he had a med kit. No way, he's hitting me. Alright. Gonna pop this med kit real quick. Easy kill. Oh! Have to get this guy out who's sneaking. That's a bot. Don't know if anybody's on islands. Doesn't seem like it. Yeah, I know what we're doing. Let's go. Get some fizz, that's really nice for us. Check on the map, the medallion is on the way, so I'm gonna look down with my boom bolt or he's gonna rift on me. don't know what he's using, honestly. He's 1 HP. I think he has the mythic glove. That's... Okay, we're just gonna get an early rotate on zone. Save one for now. I don't know why my bow just keeps not reloading. Is he in Storm with that car? Behind me. He's one. Nice, we finally killed this guy. I didn't even know there was another person. I thought it was just a 1v1. And that's how you do it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.